The Smart Grid, explained by
Mohishi Pandya,
Mayank Patel,
Mehul Prajapati.
Relies on electricity systems built around 50 years ago. These are inefficient and cannot offer an appropriate response to today's urgent global challenges. There is an estimated $13 trillion investment required in energy infrastructure over the next 20 years. This poses an imminent need and opportunity to shift towards a low-carbon, efficient and clean energy system. Smart grids will be a necessary enabler of this transition. What is a smart grid? A smart grid is an intelligent, digitized energy network, delivering electricity in an optimal way from source to consumption. This is achieved by integrating information, telecommunication, and power technologies with the existing electricity system. The benefits of a smart grid include improved efficiency and reliability of the electricity supply, integration of more renewable energy into existing networks.
Our current electric grid was conceived more than 100 years ago when electricity needs were simple. Power generation was localized and built around communities. Most homes had only small energy demands, such as a few light bulbs and a radio. The grid was designed for utilities to deliver electricity to consumers' homes and then bill them once a month. This limited one-way interaction makes it difficult for the grid to respond to the ever-changing and rising energy demands of the 21st century. The smart grid introduces a two-way dialogue where electricity and information can be exchanged between the utility and its customers. It's a developing network of communications, controls, computers, automation, and new technologies and tools working together to make the grid more efficient, more reliable, more secure, and greener. The smart grid enables newer technologies to be integrated, such as wind and solar energy production and plug-in electric vehicle charging. With our participation as informed consumers, the smart grid will replace the aging infrastructure of today's grid, and utilities can better communicate with us to help manage our electricity needs.
Smart grid means adding sensors and software to the existing grid that will give utilities and individuals new information that will help them understand and react to changes quickly. Let's say a tree falls on a power line and 1,000 homes lose power. With the current grid, utility employees often physically reroute power, which takes time. With the smart grid, sensors and software would detect and immediately route the power around the problem, limiting the issue to fewer homes. New ways to use renewable energy. Power generation can now be distributed across multiple sources, so the system is more stable and efficient. It's this ability to communicate and manage electricity that makes the grid smarter and helps us avoid burning more fossil fuels in the future. The smart grid is still a few years away, but soon we'll be able to manage our energy bill, help the environment, and help the economy by making more informed decisions about how we use electricity.
Its key features for smart grid. And its conclusion. Thank you.